Here we go. The summit is open. The ranger stopped me to tell me that there's some longhorn sheep in the road and that it's mating season. I told her I wasn't in the mood and we had a good laugh. But I'm on my way up. Over to the right is the Colorado Rockies. So I'm going to focus on my driving and I'm going to leave the camera run. And here we go. Approaching 14,000 feet, 14,006 or something. I'm anxious to see these longhorn sheep, I guess. Oh my God, I just noticed we still have another road to go. All right. Well, I'm going to video all the way up. God bless the rangers who come up here in the winter and use the grader to clear the roads. Wow, this is steep. I don't think it's quite 45, but it's certainly got my heart rate pounding. Says 17 miles now from base. Try and get back in my lane here. I keep gravitating toward the middle because I'm freaking out over the drop off. I wonder what the goats eat. My God. Faith. There's the peak. We're still not there yet. I'm still not there yet. I'm going to stop recording so I can keep my focus on the roadway.